always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Another recipe today, another keto recipe. I'm going to show you how I do my cauliflower crusted pizza in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe you're going to need 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of psyllium husk, chives, granulated garlic, salt and pepper, 1 head of cauliflower, now this can be fresh or frozen, and about 1.5 cups of mozzarella. So now we're just going to mash the cauliflower before we add all the other condiments. So now you want to put it into an oven around 200 degrees Celsius, and you want to bake it for around 20 minutes. Now I've taken the pizza out of the oven, but it's not completely cooked. So now I'm going to dress it with some spinach, sliced tomatoes. Now you can put anything you want really, but you can put onions, you could put mushrooms, but I'm just making it very simple. Now I'm not going to add any more salt because the olives are quite salty, so I'm going to put in some Kalamata olive. Just going to add some Parmesan cheese on the top, and this is going to go back into the oven for around about 15 minutes. Straight out of the oven, letting it cool down for just a little bit before I cut and serve. And there's the finished product. I'm going to have this once I get back from the gym. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this very easy, simple cauliflower crusted pizza with the regular topping. And therefore, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Gotta go now. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.